If Gamma is showing error code 503, don't worry. This usually means the service is temporarily unavailable, and in many cases, you can fix or rule out the issue in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest steps to troubleshoot the Gamma app 503 error, including refreshing the page properly, checking whether Gamma's servers are actually down, and clearing a corrupted DNS cache in your browser. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, let's perform a hard refresh. A normal browser refresh often reloads the same broken page from your cache, which means you may keep seeing the 503 error even if the live server is available again. A hard refresh forces your browser to pull a completely fresh copy of the page directly from Gamma's live servers. If you're on Windows or Linux, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. You can also use Ctrl, Shift, and R. If you're on a Mac using Chrome or Firefox, press Command, Shift, and R. After that, wait a few seconds and see whether Gamma loads normally. If the error is still there, the next step is to check Gamma's live server status. This is important because if Gamma is experiencing a system-wide outage, backend crash, or maintenance update, the 503 error will continue no matter what you do on your device. Open Gamma's official status page and look for any active incidents, degraded performance notices, or maintenance announcements. If the servers are down, the best fix is usually to wait until the engineering team restores service. Now, if the status page looks fine and you're still getting the error, the issue may be caused by a corrupted browser DNS cache. Sometimes your browser or network saves an outdated server address, and that can send you to an offline or unavailable location even when Gamma is working normally. If you're using Google Chrome, type chrome/netinternals/dns into the address bar and press enter. Once the page opens, look for the option to clear the host cache, then enter or confirm the gamma.app address if needed, and click the clear host cache button. This helps remove stale DNS information and forces your browser to request the correct live address again. After clearing the cache, close the browser tab, reopen Gamma, and test the site one more time. In many cases, one of these three steps will fix the Gamma app error code 503 quickly. If not, try opening Gamma in an Incognito window, switching to a different browser, or restarting your router to rule out a local network issue. The key thing to remember is that a 503 error usually points to a temporary service problem, not a permanent account problem. So start with the browser refresh, check the server status, and then clear the DNS cache if needed. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.